Brad Williams, XL Primed. How about we figure out the principal amount? We did the interest amount. How about we figure out the principal amount per payment? It's pretty simple. All we're doing is looking for the new tool. Here's the new tool, PPMT, principal payments. Use the PPMT function to calculate the principal portion of a loan payment of a given period. Here's how it works. Well, it's the exact same thing as interest, but we're just changing the P from the I. It was I payment, now it's P payment. P payment. It's a PP payment. It's a P payment. First payment is going to be $96.09. Let's put that in here. You would think it's $96.09 for every period, and that would be a mistake. The 45th payment going to be, that number better be higher. It's $119.66. Remember I said, as you start paying down your loan, more of that payment is going to pay off that principal. Go to 84. So it should be $146.09 minus 73 cents. Do your math real quick. What's 145.36 plus 73? It's 146.09. What's that 73? Well, that 73 is the interest amount. You remember in the interest only section, it was 73 cents on that last payment. You're paying $145.36 to pay off the 10 grand, and you're only giving 73 cents to the greedy lender. Let's put that back in its original format. $196.09 is your first principal payment. That difference should be $50. Remember, that first payment was $50. What's $96.09 plus 50? It better be $146.09. Read this to your right if you need to. Play around with the numbers. Change the period time. Change this, 84. You can do 360. You want compounding on an annual basis? Just put 365. You've ever heard of, if you're doing bond payments, there's a daily compounding or interest compounding on a daily basis. Depending on the application, most are going to be 360 days. 365 is your max compounding periods per year. You're going to change that. All right. And then this rate, if you're going to change compounding, be sure to change this. It has to account for your compounding. You know, see here, C5 divided by C8, C5 interest divided by 12. That means compounded monthly. If this was daily, this needs to be 360 right here. This should equal, well, it's 7 years. And that's why I should put a 7 years in there, but all I did was go 84. But if it's 360 periods, if it's 7 years, you got to take 7 times 360 and change that number. And this would be terms in days. So everything has to be in sync. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks a lot.